Hi everyone, it's Kristi. I am back for another grocery haul. I have an Aldi haul for you this week. I hope you all had an amazing Thanksgiving. I have been away from my videos for a little bit. We've had quite a bit of family in and out, so I've really just been kind of enjoying my family, taking some time away from social media, from my videos, and just really spending some quality time with family. We had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hosted it at home like I always do. It's my favorite holiday of the year, so I am happy to get back to things though. So I have an Aldi haul for you. If you're new to my channel, I do share the Weight Watcher points and calories as well when I share my grocery hauls. So I'm going to start down here at this end. I got some eggs. Those are 0 points, 70 calories for an egg. I got a thing of 100% whole wheat bread. That's 1 point per slice. And I checked on this one because I thought this used to be 3 points for 2 slices, but it comes out, it's a true 1 for 1 and 2 for 2 slices. And then this one is 60 calories per slice. And then we got these are beef sausage snack sticks. My husband grabbed these. I prefer the turkey ones when I get these. I don't eat these too much, but these ones they scan out at 3 points per stick and 130 calories for 2 sticks. So I don't know, I kind of feel like that should be 3 points for 2 sticks, but the turkey ones I know are a little bit less. Also picked up just a thing of ranch dressing mix, just in case I want to mix that in with something. That's 0 points, 5 calories. I got a thing of fully cooked bacon, 1 point per slice. My husband just likes to put these on his sandwiches, and these are 80 calories for 3 slices. Also some bacon bits, 1 point for 1 tablespoon or 30 calories. I got a bunch of different cheeses. I've got some mozzarella, that's 3 points for a 1/4 cup and 80 calories. And then I got some reduced fat Mexican, 4 points for a 1/4 cup and 90 calories. I got a block of Parmesan cheese, 4 points for an ounce and 110 calories. A thing of feta cheese, that is my absolute favorite, and that's only 2 points for an ounce or 60 calories. And then some aged white cheddar, 5 points for an ounce or 110 calories. And my husband likes this Munster cheese on his sandwiches for 3 points for a slice and 80 calories. And I also got a couple things of turkey pepperoni. For this kind, you can have 13 slices for 1 point, 22 slices for 2. And if you just wanted a little bit for 0, you can actually have 4 slices for 0. And it's 70 calories for 16 slices. And then I got some avocado oil, 5 points for a tablespoon and 130 calories. Also got some olive oil cooking spray and some pub style pretzels. Those are 3 points for 31 grams and then 120 calories for an ounce. I got some 0 point skipjack tuna. That I believe is 110 calories for the entire can. I picked up these. I just like to have these on hand. They're just nice to just grab something if you're on the go. These are fat-free tuna salad. It's 4 points for the entire container. And for the calories, it's 70 calories for the can of tuna and 80 calories for the wheat crackers. I got some mushrooms, 0 points and 20 calories. Some 3 cans of sliced potatoes. These are, you can have 3/4 of a cup for 1 point and 60 calories for 2/3 of the cup, or you can have the whole can for 160. I also got some black beans. Those are 0 points and 110 calories for half a cup. Some whole wheat spaghetti, that is 5 points and I don't remember the calories, 200 calories for a 2-ounce portion. Some of the teriyaki stir fry sauce, I really like this. You can have 1 tablespoon for 1 point and 25 calories. All right, so I'm gonna stick this clip in here. I was actually editing my video and realized that I skipped right over the egg whites and the almond milk. So I got some liquid egg whites, and for these on Weight Watchers, they're 0 points and 25 calories for 3 tablespoons. I really just like to mix these with eggs. Usually when I make like an omelet or something, I've been using 2 whole eggs and then 6 tablespoons of this to really increase the protein. And then I got some unsweetened almond milk. For this on Weight Watchers is 1 point for 1 cup And if I remember correctly, you can have 3/4 of a cup or just less than 3/4 of a cup for 0 points. And then for calories, it's 30 calories per cup. And moving on to meats, I got some center cut pork chops. For those, you can have 4 ounces for 3 points or 190 calories. Some chicken thigh fillets. For these, you can have a 4-ounce portion for 3 points or 160 calories. I got some ground beef. This is the grass-fed 93% lean. For this, you can have 4 ounces for 4 points and 170 calories. Some ham slices. Those are 1 point for 2 ounces or 60 calories. Some of the chicken breakfast sausage. These are 1 point for a link. If you have 2 links, it does become 3 points. And then they are 45 calories per link. Some salmon, 0 points on Weight Watchers, and 250 calories for 4 ounces. Also got some 92% lean ground chicken, 4 points for 4 ounces, and 160 calories. All right, hopefully that wasn't dark through all that. I realized I was pushing a button on my camera. All right, so then I got some pork tenderloin. For this is only 2 points for 4 ounces and 130 calories. And then we splurged a little bit. My husband has been craving a ribeye steak. For me, I just choose not to have, I am not like a big steak eater, so I prefer a little bit leaner. So I chose the New York strip, which isn't a whole lot leaner, but it is definitely a little bit leaner than the ribeye. So the ribeye scans out at 16 points for a 4-ounce portion, and the New York strip scans out at 10 points for a 4-ounce portion. For the ribeye, it's 390 calories for 4 ounces, and the New York strip is 280 calories for 4 ounces. And then now the fruits and vegetables, and of course on Weight Watchers, the majority of fruits and vegetables are 0. Unless you're on the diabetic plan, then your fruits do have points. For calories, of course, it just depends how much. So I don't usually give the calories for everything. So I got a couple things of carrots. I got some asparagus, some beefsteak tomatoes, some green onions. I got some fresh Brussels sprouts and some frozen Brussels sprouts, mushrooms, an English cucumber, some sweet garden peas. Oh, and I got a bag of potatoes, russet potatoes. For those, you can have 4 ounces for 2 points, and calories is, I believe, 110 calories for 5.3 ounce potato. I also got some spinach and some romaine lettuce. I got a thing of parsley, some cilantro. We've talked about cilantro. I love cilantro. My husband has that cilantro soap gene, or whatever you call it, that some people seem to have. So he does not eat the cilantro. I got some onions, some broccoli stir fry, which I didn't realize had water chestnuts. Neither one of us can stand water chestnuts. So I did get the Asian stir fry as well. That one does scan out at 1 point though. I noticed it has some added sugar in it, so I scanned it and it came out to a point. I also got some broccoli, some iceberg lettuce, a thing of bananas, a thing of bell peppers, a whole bunch of zucchini because we go through zucchini a lot. I like to have zucchini with my eggs in the morning, so I usually will cut up a whole zucchini when I make my eggs. I got a thing of lemons and some raspberries and blueberries. And I believe that is it. So that's my Aldi haul for this week. I think I have a couple things to get at Publix, so if I end up doing that, I'll just add it to the end of this. I haven't quite decided if I need anything bad enough to get this week or if I can wait for next week, which I think I probably can. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.